Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have what matters most, a clear niche and samples. First, verify eligibility and platform requirements. Upload ID and portfolio so you aren't blocked later. Once done, draft a one-page brief outlining audience, content cadence, and goals. This keeps every decision focused. Then assemble tools, camera, mic, basic editor, and produce a single polished sample. This first deliverable proves competence and speeds approval, so prioritize clarity over quantity and save all raw files for revisions. You now move into production with purpose. Film to your brief and open with a 3-7-second hook to retain viewers. Make sure every video shows clear value and ends with a specific CTA. This directly affects platform approval. Once edited, export to required specs, codec, aspect ratio, and file size, and name files per guidelines. Then complete submission forms, metadata, captions, rights release, and payment info. This reduces back and forth and accelerates onboarding. You're almost done. Confirm the acceptance email and verify the scheduled publish date and payout details. If the platform rejects your submission, don't panic. Read the feedback carefully, fix the single highest impact issue, and resubmit promptly. Make incremental edits rather than overhauling everything, and document versions so you can revert if needed. One troubleshooting tip: keep backups and consistent file names like sample v1, sample v2. This saves time when they request changes or when you need to roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.